rainy days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a beehive and bees. So, let's get started. First, we will draw a branch. Then, we will draw a beehive. Now, we will draw 2 bees around the beehive. Now, it's time to fill colors. First, black color. Now, we will color the beehive with light brown color. Then, we will color the branch with brown color. Now, we will fill the yellow color in the bees. At last, we will fill blue color in the wings of the bees. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.